This is a Sharrow Marine prop. Got a looped blade design. Has actually a hole between the blades. They consider this a 3-blade propeller. Actually almost has 6 blades. It has an upper and a lower blade. So the way this prop works, it draws in water from much further away, and it draws that water in and refocuses it and makes this prop a much more efficient design. It's the latest design in propellers, newest ones they've had since like the 1800s. So if this is propped correctly on the boat, you can see 20 to 30% more fuel efficiency, which increases the range of the boat also. You can go much further on the tank of gas. This gives you 50% more reverse thrust. It gives you much better turning ability. It's going to make it much easier to maneuver and dock your boat. The Sharrow Marine propeller will give you less vibration than your typical propeller. It's very accurately machined, CNC machined, and balance. This prop is not a top end go fast prop. It will maintain the same speeds as your current stainless steel propeller or aluminum propeller, but it's more of a mid-range overall performance type propeller rather than a go fast type propeller. We are going to size this prop to run the correct RPMs for your engine. We will take very detailed information about your boat, and Sharrow Marine will design a prop for your boat and manufacture it for your boat. They're offered in both aluminum and stainlesses.